So before you start getting tons of clients, tons of bookings, here are a few things you need to know before practicing as a makeup artist. Hi beautiful, and welcome back to another video, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 10 things you need to know before practicing as a makeup artist. The first thing on the list is to make sure that you believe in yourself. It all starts from your mindset. So you need to tell yourself that you can do this, you can beat this face, your clients will love the end result, your clients will love the finished look, okay? So believe in yourself and tell yourself that I can beat this face. The second thing you need to know before practicing as a makeup artist is to practice consistently. Now you want to have practice consistently. That is why I heard of the do trial look, okay? So you want to make sure that you're practicing consistently to be able to master that look. So you want to make sure that you have practice and practice and practice before you can be able to beat your client face proper, before you can be able to take a serious booking, because when they're paying you, you have to deliver, okay? So you want to make sure you practice. If I have a look that the client has booked already, I'd always like to practice on my face so that I can see how that will pack shadow on the face. So now the third tip would be to work with a mirror, okay? A mirror would help you to see different symmetrics on the face. It will help you to see what your makeup is doing to the client's face. It will help you to see what you're doing on the face. It will help you to see if when you do your makeup, when you're doing the makeup, when you're doing the makeup for the client and you look at the mirror, you would see what the contour is doing. You would see what the highlight is doing. You will see what the eyeliner is doing. So working with a mirror helps you to even work faster and see what your makeup and how the makeup is performing on the skin and on the face, if it's shaping your client's face. So the third tip would be to work with a mirror. The fourth tip is to stand while doing your client's makeup, because this would help you see the symmetrics of the face. It will help you to see the angles of the face, and with this you can take 2 steps backwards and see your client's face, because when you're sitting you will not be able to see what the makeup is really doing, because you're up close on the person's face and you're doing the makeup, so you can't really tell. But once you're standing, you can take 5 steps backwards. You can even go like really far away, see the blend, see the shade match if it's performing. So the ideal thing is to stand while doing your makeup. Now the fifth tip is to always work with a towel, okay? You want to place a towel on the table. If you're going to your clients, it is ideal that you place a towel or a cloth on the table so that you don't get to stain the area they're going to give you to work, okay? So you don't get to stain that area or stain their chairs or their couch and whatnot. You have to place this towel on it so that you can put your product on it. And that leads me to the sixth thing you need to know before practicing. You want to arrange your product in the order which you do your makeup. So if you do skin first before your eyebrows or the eyeshadow, you want to arrange it like that. This will help you to work faster. And I don't know if any of you have ever encountered when you've been looking for just one product to be able to finish the look and you don't find it. You keep searching your brushes. If it's a brush that you need to just use to finish this look, you just keep searching and you can't find it, and you're like, what is going on? Yeah, it happens to me too. So you want to make sure that you've arranged this product. If you do eyes first, arrange the eyes here, arrange the brow products here, then arrange the skin products here, so that your work can be easy. And if you're doing like 3-4 clients, you're going to be under pressure, so you want to make sure that you're able to find these things really quickly before, so you don't have chaos to deal with. Okay, so the sixth tip is to work with a towel. No, the fifth tip is to work with a towel. Then the sixth is to make sure to arrange your products in the order which you work. Seventh tip is to stand at the right when you're walking on the left side, and stand on the left when you're walking on the right side. Why? Because this, it's also part of the seeing the angles of the face, and especially for brows, you would see artists stay on this side to draw and stay on this side, because if you're staying on one side, you might, in your head, it's telling you that the brows are okay, they are symmetrical, they are okay. But then when you're done and you take a step backwards, you find out that, okay, maybe this arc is too high and this one is low and that kind of stuff. So, but when you stay at different sides of the person, you'll be able to see the angles of the face, the brows, and the cheeks as well. So you want to stand opposite the sides that you'll be doing. Okay, now another, this is this the eighth? Yeah, the eighth tip now is to make sure you're working with a good lighting, because a good lighting will play a huge role. Okay, it will play a huge role in the makeup, especially for shade match, because you don't want to go in with a shade darker than your client's skin tone. You don't want to go too light because of bad lighting. If there is no good source of light around, make sure to work with natural lighting. It's actually beautiful. So if you don't have a good source of lighting, make sure that the curtains are open and everywhere is being lit up, so that you can be able to match and to know when to stop your eyeshadow application, to know when to stop going in with contour and these things, because they play a huge role in the finished look. Okay, so if you're working with lighting, artificial lighting, you want to make sure you have one lighting here and one lighting here, two sides of your face at least, to be able to light the sides. And because it's a circle, if you put it at this side here, you know that this side is going to get lit up of your face, then the center part too is going to still get lit. Okay, so when this side is here, your face is lit up, and the center too is lit up as well. This, I can be able to see where I need to stop doing my contour, I need to adjust the highlight a bit. Do you understand? So make sure you're working with good lighting. Okay, now before we get into the ninth tip, if you are enjoying the video, go ahead and subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below what tip you now know that you didn't know before, that other makeup artists should know before they start taking clients. So comment down below. Okay, so the ninth tip is to not place your hand on your client's head when you're doing the makeup. I'm guilty, but whenever I remember, I just quickly take off my hands. If you watch some of my videos, when I just remember, because it will be there and I'll just be blending. I'll just be blending to be very nice. Okay, to be very, very nice. And it is not ideal, it is not healthy at all, because it's making your client's neck really uncomfortable. You're doing like this, you're doing like this, then your neck is going to hurt them. Okay, so don't place your hands on your client's head or try to push their head backwards. No, don't do it. Okay, 10th tip is that you are your only competition. You can draw inspiration from other people, but don't need to compete with anybody. Okay, do you. It's just like I said in the beginning, believe in yourself, do you, be proud of your work. And if there is any part you need help or you need assistance, reach out to makeup artists as well and ask them. If they're kind enough, they can help you. If they want you to pay for a class, if you can afford it, pay for a class. And not just pay for any class, pay for a class that you know that will bring value. Then you can now pay for a class. From when you start, then you'll be able to make improvement. If you don't start, then you will not improve. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell so you're always notified anytime a new video is uploaded. Also, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you've got some other tips and tricks that you feel like makeup artists should know, comment down below as well. And until the next video, make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.